Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's daily breakdown. In today's daily breakdown, we're going to go over a few currency pairs that we have on my watch list, and then we're going to do the NFP analysis for tomorrow and see how the news is going to play out. So first and foremost, today we didn't really have a lot of trading opportunities. As you can see, the dollar has just been ranging. You can see this consolidation here. And I believe it's actually waiting for the momentum from the NFP to actually break out of it. With JPYX, same thing, like it's now turned into a range, but obviously it's the NFP week, so I don't expect any volatility until, the NFP breaks. Now, we're going to look at the dollar. That trade, by the way, the CAD JPY trade we took yesterday, prices pumped all the way until +1 hour and then came and stopped us at break even, so we didn't lose anything. Now back to DXY. Let's look at the fundamentals. How do we anticipate for the dollar to play out? Now the NFP, the news is tomorrow. We're going to be faced with the non-farm payroll tomorrow right here. So we have this non-farm payroll for May, where we have the 175 and the 185 right here. The previous was 175 and the forecast is 185. But how do we predict the NFP? There are a couple of things that you actually have to look at that actually show you what the possibility of the NFP will most likely be. First thing is this one right here, the ADP non-farm employment change, right? This shows you the number of employment that has changed during the specific time period. And we can see here with this one, it came out, this fundamental came out yesterday and it was worse than expected. You can see here, worse than expected. It came out at 152, expected was 173, the previous was 188. So this came out negative for the dollar. That means the employment was worse than it was expected, right? And we have today where there were other fundamentals that actually gave us a highlight of what's going to happen. You can see here, continuing jobless claim, it was worse than expected, right? And then still initial jobless claim, worse than expected, and non-farm productivity. The productivity of the non-farms is worse than expected. Now, all of these indicate that the non-farm payroll is going to be negative because all of these are actually negatively impacting the dollar. So with that being said, guys, I truly believe that tomorrow the NFP will become negative, meaning it's worse than expected. So in case you're actually trading right now, I'd advise you actually look for a pair that will actually, or just look for trades that will actually indicate that the dollar will be weaker. For I believe if you get that trade, prices will most likely pump and keep on pushing with the non-farm, momentum. Although right now prices are in this some kind of a support, but you can see it really doesn't have that bullish solid momentum. So I believe tomorrow prices will dump and keep on pumping lower until the next weeks. But as far as the fundamentals go, I truly believe that the non-farm will actually be negative to the dollar. That means the dollar will be selling, Euro USD will be buying, GBP USD will be buying, gold will be buying. So that's what I believe will be happening on the NFP this month. Now, with that being said, I appreciate you giving me your time. Thank you for the opportunity of being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing with a few friends that you believe also find value in this video. Till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Let's kill.